DJM TV.
With you from the Gambia, a majority of them cover the State House here. Of the Republic of the Gambia, and what you discussed with waiting. After you do that, there will be just.
My question has to do with the 4 years you've been in office currently, if you get re-elected, sir. That's the first question. What would you say would be your biggest challenge and your biggest... Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
We have the security sector reform going on in the Gambia. I think basically this is what this is for us, and this is why we are here to update Mr. President, because Nigeria have been very, very supportive. Nigeria have been a very good brother. Nigeria have been a big brother supporting us in different areas, technical assistance, medicine, education sector, and the economic team in the Gambia. So Nigeria have been very, very, very supportive. So we say no. If you want to thank a farmer, the best place to thank him is to come to his farm. That's why we are here to thank Mr. President.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
As I said, I came to power after 22 years of dictatorship. When I say dictatorship, everybody knows what it means. I think there are a lot of challenges. When I came, our economy was bad, not even bad. I think it is worst situation. When I came, we were less than 1 month import cover in Gambia. Our debt to GDP was 120% when I came to power. So it was in a very serious situation. It was like we have a mountain to climb. But let me just update you. Today, we are up to 5 months import cover in Gambia. Our debt to GDP is 80%. Our growth, before it used to be 1% to 2%. Today, our growth is about 6.5%. And I was able to increase salaries 50%, pensions 100% within this short period. Infrastructure. During the 50 years, they were able to do 800 kilometers tar road. In 4 years, I'm doing 600 roads. Bridges, they were able to build 750 meters. I am doing 2,500 meters in 4 years. So we were able to do a lot within the period, but the institutions were not strong. That's why we are engaged in reforms. It's not even reforms, I can say it is a complete overhaul of the system, because the system was polluted. But today, we are building strong institutions. Freedom of press, independent of the judiciary, independent of the National Assembly. These are institutions that are very, very strong today in the Gambia. I think that satisfies your question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.